What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my lace wig. If you guys are interested in seeing the process, stay tuned. The only thing I did not include in this video is how I did my edges, just because I was on a time crunch while recording this video. So next time I make a hair video, which will be soon, I promise I will put that in the video. It's not hard, it's just a little bit time consuming for me, especially because I'm left-handed. But as you guys can see, this lace is a little bit too dark for me. They sent me about a medium brown color, and I always use transparent lace just because I'm so light skinned. So I did include in the video how to fix that, just in case you guys come across that problem and need a quick fix. First, I'm going to be taking some foundation that matches my skin color and putting it on my cap, just so it can help match my lace a little bit better. So here is the wig. This is a 13x6 frontal, and I did customize it so it looks real natural. I added an adjustable elastic band in here, which works wonders. It has some clips on the sides as well as one at the bottom and another adjustable band. Now I'm going to be adding some more foundation to the lace so it can help match me all the way. Do y'all see how natural this looks? I did that. I customized that. You guys, hit me up for all your customization and custom wig order needs, because honey, I do this. Look at that scalp. It's not even glued on my head and you can't tell me it's not mine. Now I'm just cleaning up my skin with some rubbing alcohol to take any dirt or oils away to help the lace stick that much better. Today we're using Lace Grip, my favorite glue. Y'all, my boyfriend never fails to scare me. Every single time I'm recording, he always does this shit. So every time I'm recording, I'm paranoid as hell. Y'all gonna see. So anyway, anytime you're gluing a wig down and you're using actual lace glue, you're going to want to use 3 coats, maybe 2 to 3, but I always stick with 3 just because I like an extreme hold. So I always use 3 because I know it always gets the job done. Look at my ass being paranoid. Then to smooth out the glue, you're going to want to take something like a rat tail comb, or a popsicle stick is another thing that I recommend because that helps smooth it out really good. But you're going to want to smooth it out very smooth. You don't want no type of bumps, no lumps, none of that. Everything has to be smooth because it will show when you actually apply the lace to the glue, whether you did it right or not. So make sure everything is nice and smooth. Take your time, but don't go too slow because the glue will dry. As you guys can see, I didn't even have to use my blow dryer this time because I did thin layers, as you should. You don't want to use super thick layers. Sometimes my layers are a little bit too thick, but this time I did them just right. Didn't even have to use my blow dryer. Y'all start having to fuck it up because I already know that this install finna be fire. I ain't even put it on my head yet. Honestly, the better that I have been getting, the more time I take, the more practice, that I do, and you know, just telling by how I customize my frontal, I'm just like, yes, this is the one. This is the one. So now that our glue is dried, I'm going to pull up my frontal, and as you guys can see, that shininess underneath the lace, that is the glue. And just another quick tip, if your glue or your lace is not sitting right on top of each other, you can always maneuver the wig around for it to fit like I'm doing. I'm pulling it back, pulling it forward just so it could sit in the right spot, so I don't have to, you know, take any glue off or add any more glue. Then I like to take my comb and press the lace into the glue, not the hair, but the actual lace. Now I'm just going to be taking my blow dryer on the cool setting and just combing and blow drying and pressing my lace down in the front, just because I feel like this helps, you know, secure it a little bit more than it already is. You guys don't have to do this step, but I always do this step faithfully. So yeah, this is just one thing I do. So now she is laid and melted, you guys. This install is beautiful. This looks like it is my hair. This is my hair. I'm claiming it now. Look at this, you guys. Look. This is my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to be cutting the lace off. I'm using some regular scissors to cut in a zigzag motion. I know the store sells actual zigzag pattern scissors. I meant to try them, but I always stick to my regular scissors. You can also use an eyebrow razor. I've never tried that either, just because, you know, this is just doing me fine, sis. But I would suggest that you cut in a zigzag line rather than a straight line, just because it takes the eyes a little bit more to find the lace when it's in that zigzag pattern rather than just a straight line, because you're just like, oh, that's a wig. Especially if the lace color does not match your skin, or it's not customized, you know, in that natural hairline state. You know, these are just a few tips and tricks that I found work best for me when trying to have that flawless hairline. So that nice pluck, zigzag, and some lace that matches you will do you justice. You guys, at this point, I just literally cannot get over this hairline. Like, please just pause the video. Like, look at this. Look, that's my hair. I promise you, that is my hair, and nobody could tell me different.